Get ready with me with Amrij Cosmetics. A little skin prep, some base. Here comes the first product. It's their concealer, which I got in shade Porcelain. It's really pigmented and it's a bit lighter for my skin tone, so I added a single shade darker and blended it all in. Comes a loose powder, some bronzer. Next I got this really nice pigmented coral blush and it looks cute. Next comes my favorite product, they're Olive Glow highlighters, and these are so good. I couldn't choose a shade, so I literally applied all of them all over my face, because why not? And trust me, look at that glow, check that out. It is so good and so pigmented. And of course, not to forget the eyes and the brows. The final product is this Diva lipstick, and look at that shade, it's such a bright coral. And like I told you, all of the products are so pigmented, I just had to do a single swipe and it will blend it in. And of course I can't get enough of these, so I did a little tap tap here and a tap tap there to finish the look. And here's my fit check, all done. Here's a little Eid inspo for you guys. Eid Mubarak in advance.